All is not well in the Emerson Mnangagwa deputy, Constantino Chiwenga's family, as serious allegations around child molestation grow. This complaint, first published on Zim I in October last year, is released pursuant to child protection laws and guidelines. Sanapana mashoko atukona kuti aiwa vana vaVP ava panguva inoi voratidza kuti aiwa they are not happy after aiwa vane 6 years vachirambidzwa kuti vanoona their real mother. Sanapana mashoko mudanyoka panapa unogona subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina Mzimu aya mudanyora achiti during an emotional family squabble, President Constantino Chiwenga's son, Kuda Blessing, is exposed to suggest that the man he calls his father is a thief who survives on stealing. Writing publicly in October, he said his dad is a monkey anasoko nekuti munopona nezvekuba. Chiwenga's totem African surname is a donkey. This translates mean a donkey that survives on stealing. He also uploaded a series of audio pictures while penning out his threat. In the piece, he also made several allegations against the father concerning his love life. He alleged that he has been molested without, however, elaborating what he means by that type of abuse, whether metamorphic or illegal. He said, I may have no memory of this, but I do believe I was loved then. After that, it was just molestation, abuse, and a whole bunch of horrors. 2020 has seemed to exceed them all. There truly is a devil out there. God help us all. Thomas Kwamureta panapa na this blessing Kuda Chiwenga alikuwa achitaura mashoko achiti aiwa anochiexposa aiwa baba vake muona kuti Mutugamira is a figure, important figure munyika yeZimbabwe and Zimbabwean politics. Alikuwa panapa achiexposa achinzi aiwa vararama nezvekuba nepanguva ino yamuona kuti aiwa these children that are being bad vanorambidzwa kuti vanoona their real mother. Tose mafungiro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.